How to uninstall the OneXpert app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your app menus. Find the OneXpert app from here. Once you find the OneXpert app, tap and hold on this app icon. Now, you will directly see this uninstall option over here. If you tap on it, it will ask you for the confirmation if you really want to uninstall this app. After doing this, it will completely remove this app from your phone. It will also remove the access of your account. So if you have important details in your account, you can take note of your account username and your password so that you can revive your account again. Once your account details are secured, you can go ahead and uninstall this app. You can confirm to uninstall this app. You can tap on OK, and the OneXpert app will be successfully uninstalled from your phone. So that's it. That's a very easy process to uninstall this app from your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.